Imagine you're a healthcare provider and want to offer video consultations to your patients. How would you get started? Coviu is your top choice because it solves the key problems. It's easy to set up and use, provides great quality calls, and guaranteed privacy of exchange data. Here's how it works. You sign up your healthcare business. You add your logo and brand colors. Then you turn on the features that your business needs through the brand new Coviu Marketplace. You activate waiting room functionality, a consent form, and online appointment bookings. After you publish the appointment booking button to your website, your service is launched and you can let your clients know. Now, when a client comes to your site, they can book an appointment slot with you. Let's make it for Monday 11 o'clock. They receive an email to confirm the booking. At your end, the appointment is listed in your practice management system. When Monday comes around, you're made aware that this is an online appointment. You follow the link to enter the virtual room. Your patient clicks the link in the email, fills in the consent form, and then waits in the waiting queue until you're ready for them. You hold the consult and can share medical images, a whiteboard, or other applications as needed to discuss all information with the patient. When you're finished, you can download the material used in the call and store it to your health record management system. The Coviu Marketplace is a radically new way to design a video consultation service that works for your business. Build an online service that is as unique as you are.